Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be going over jasper.ai. It's an automated system that allows you to make blogs on the fly. You could come up with content on your channel, your YouTube channel, and you could come up with different options for YouTube descriptions in your video. Okay, so and some great ad copy as well too. So if you have problems with coming up with stuff, this is the video that you need to watch. Okay, so we have long form assistant for blogging. We have the ADA framework, the PAS framework, problem agitate solution. But today I'm going to be going over more common ones like email marketing, okay, for beginners. So when I was starting out, I had writer's block. I really didn't know what to write, so I just didn't write emails. I just sent them straight to the company website. But now I've gotten better at it, of course, because of jasper.ai. Okay, so we're gonna go to a quick example real quick. All right. So this is a company I've been promoting, WebTalk, and this is how you write personalized cold emails. Okay, so I already have it pre-written due to time constraints. Okay, so we'll just go ahead and click on that, generate an email. All right, and it says, "Hi, first name. You probably heard of WebTalk. It's a new social media platform that is growing faster than Facebook. All right. When you join, you get paid to post on social media up to 10% ad revenue to generate, and you also get residual income on all referrals. Okay, for life, as long as they join." Okay, that seems pretty good. So the outputs, you could change it. You could do up to 7, and then boom, you'll have your 7-day follow-up. Now, if you want to go up to 10, you could go up to 10. Okay, and we'll just do the auto generate again. All right, so let's just wait on that. Okay, so it has 10 here, so you have your 10 emails. All right, and it's actually pretty advanced. All right, so we'll go to, let's see another one here. Go to subject line. So you have a trouble coming up with a catchy subject line. Okay, you go ahead and click on here. All right, get paid to post on social media. Get paid to post on social media and make money. So again, you can click on the number of outputs. You can just do it with that, and then you could click generate again. All right, well, that's a bad example, so we'll do it with that, and then we'll regenerate. Okay, so it's a little bit more options. So you just keep on playing with it, and then you'll get more and more ideas. Okay, so you get the idea. All right. Now, there is a free trial for this. So they also have a lot more options: Facebook ad headline, Facebook ad primary text, Google ads headline, Google ad description, Amazon product features, bullet points, Amazon product description paragraph. Now, if you are interested in joining, there is a free trial. Okay, so go ahead and click the link below to get started on your free trial. All right, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Have a good one, YouTube.